Hello all techies. Samsung yesterday started rolling out Nougat update for Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge in India, and there are many such changes which are very beautiful in Galaxy S6 Edge and S6. So we are going to see what are the changes. Samsung has started rollout over the air for many of these devices, and it is likely to come within batches. So you have to wait to get the update, or you can download manually the file and upgrade it. So there are many ways. I will show in the next video how to update. So let's see what are the changes. First of all, some are asking that why the Samsung Pay is not there in this Nougat update. Yes, the Samsung Pay is not in this update because the Samsung has not put the MST chip, which is magnetic secure transmission chip, in some of the countries, and India is one of the countries in which the Samsung has not put the MST chip in Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge. So Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge users will not be able to use Samsung Pay in India and some of the countries. So that's a bad news for Samsung S6 and S6 Edge users. Now let's see what are the changes. So here is the new phone dialer app. So you can see that the colors are being very reduced. Mostly the white color is used, but this looks very nice, and even with the experience of dialing it is very good. We can see new colors over there. Let's dial one number. So this is a very cool
Welcome to Jio.
It changes from user to user.
गुजराती માટે એક દબાવો.
Let's see the main part over here, which is the notification bar. You can see that many things has changed in this. You can drag down again to get everything over here. The functionality is the same. You can see everything which is same over here. Nothing has really changed very much, but the main thing over is the blue light filter, which has been added to this. So you can add a blue light filter according to your need. You can also quick click over here and start the schedule, or you can change the color according to your wish. So this is a very handy feature for the readers. Now let's see what are the changes in the user interface. This is the new user interface of Samsung, and it is very good, but you can see that icons are being covered with this white background over here. But there is a change in the folder system. When you open the folder, everything gets blurred over there, and you can see a transparent looking image. So that's very cool. So what are the changes in the settings? So the settings go all white over here, only the icons are being colored. So we can see what are the changes in the display settings. So here you can enable disable the blue light filter from here also, and you can change this looking white background over the icons. You can enable or disable from here. So icons only will get you the original settings of the icons. From this you can see such type of look, or by disabling it you will get the original icons. Pressing done, and everything is done over. Another thing the Samsung has added in this user interface is the long press feature. This is not like 3D touch, but you can just say like a 3D touch feature, but it is not that much useful. On long pressing the icon, you can see that app info is over there. On some other third party apps or like that, if you long press over here, you can see disable and app info usage. So this may be a little handy, but it's not that much useful. If Samsung adds some functionality like send mail or like that we see in the 3D touch, it will be very useful. Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge or S6 was previously having the device manager settings, in which it will clear up the RAM storage so that you can get a faster device after that. So now this has changed to device maintenance, and the easiest way to get it is through widget. So long press over here, go to widgets, select device manager over here, and select this, drag to the home screen. So here you can see the current memory and the storage information. So click on it. So it will open the device maintenance, where it checks everything: your battery, storage, memory and device. So right now it is showing me 100% excellent. So my device is completely free of threats, memory is also clean, and the storage is also clean. So the cache memory is no there. So now another changes is in the battery settings. From here we can choose the power saving mode. There are 3 power saving modes. So actually this is 2, mid and max. So by clicking over here, we can see that brightness is decreased by -10%, CPU is limited and the background network usage is off. It has not been applied yet. So by applying it, I can use these settings. I can also customize it. I can decrease the brightness, limit the speed or not, and background usage or not. By going to the max, it will decrease the brightness by -10%. CPU speed is also off. Background network is not off yet. So this way you can apply different modes. Here, such as the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge, we are not able to decrease the resolution yet now to reduce the speed. This functionality has not been given in S6 and S6 Edge, and also the always on display has not been ported to S6 and S6 Edge users. So that's not a good thing for S6 and S6 Edge users. But this is a cool handy feature. Here we can see the battery usage. As I have mentioned earlier in this video that Samsung has not given the Samsung Pay feature to Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge users due to that MST chip. But Samsung has given another feature that is called the Samsung Pass, which is useful for your phone only. So go to the settings, then go to lock screen and security, and here you can see the Samsung Pass. So here you have to log in with your network connection, and you can use your fingerprints to access the websites and everything. That feature was available for internet, but let's see in the future how can we use this feature for many more settings. Samsung has changed many things, and Samsung has also changed the default apps such as phone, settings, gallery, messaging, contacts, calculator, email, calendar, and many things. So this is very good update. It has brought a white tint to it, but it is very useful. The clock app has also been changed very much. Now last but not the least, the main thing, which is the camera app. Camera app has also been revamped to the new UI features. So let's see what are the changes. By going into the camera, you can swipe here for the filters, and you can swipe on the left for these effects. So it is pretty handy. You don't have to click manually, just swipe over here and there. By swiping up, you can go to the selfie camera, and by swiping down again back to the main camera. So this is a very pretty useful feature. Another way you can just go to the selfie camera is by double pressing the home button. Will take you to the selfie camera. So this is very useful feature. By again pressing double click, you can come to the main app. So guys, this was a small video on what are the changes in the Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge in the Nougat update, and hope you would have liked this video. If you know more such things which have changed from the Marshmallow update, you can comment in the section below. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe for more such videos and benchmark tests of the Nougat update. Thank you.